I will be reordering my first private label product this month, so I want to give you guys an update. It's been about 2 months since I've done that. Back then it was selling about 80 units a month, and now it's selling about 100. So I feel really good about that. You guys could see the last 30 days I've sold 98 units. The 30 days before that I've sold 111 units. So honestly, about 105 units a month. And guys, it's so passive right now. I spend 2, maybe 3 units, 2, maybe 3 hours in the last month on this product. I honestly spend more time refreshing the Amazon seller app than I actually do working on this product. I will be reordering this month, so I will spend a little bit more time on it, but it's so passive. That's why I've been telling a lot of you to go into private label, because once you have it set up, it is awesome, okay? Let's go take a look at the actual numbers here. So right here are the numbers. Overall, if I sell 100 units a month, that is $1,000 a month profit. It's still a $30 product, but I just started experimenting with raising the price. I raised the price from $30 to $33 just like 2 days ago, and sales have still been good the last couple of days. Yesterday I sold 4 units. Honestly, the thing is, I waited too long to reorder. I'm probably about a week or 2 weeks too late to reorder, so that's why I raised my price. I'm not too worried about like stocking out and getting re-ranked or anything, because it's such a small niche, and like still have the Amazon's Choice badge for all my long tail keywords. So I have a spot that's like I am the market for this. I had one big competitor. Actually, I've never told you guys, some of you, how I actually came up with this product. So I found an entire niche, and the entire niche had 3.5 to 4-star reviews, okay? Really, really low reviews on the entire niche. I read all the reviews, and I figured out why the product sucked. So I actually went in, and I bought a bunch of units, figured out how I could like fix them, contacted suppliers through Alibaba, and I found one that would actually like make my modifications. So I had to pay them $400 for a mold, but now I have a product it's decisively better, okay? I mean, my product's got 5-star review, and everything else has 3.5, 4, because I was able to fix the problem that this whole niche had. So that's why I'm getting, I have one direct competitor, and like I said, he was selling 100 units a month, and now he's selling 9. And he's still running PPC, and I am not doing any PPC, and I'm selling 100. So you can see here, zero PPC, because it's such a sub niche that there's literally there's only a few terms that people are searching for, and I'm already ranked like number 1 for those terms. So PPC really wasn't that profitable after I broke down the automatic campaign I did. So the really cool thing about this right now is that, again, it's so automated. Actually, this is probably a good time for me to tell you guys about my free private label course I'm putting out. I'm really tired of people having $1,000 courses they're putting out, so I actually went out and I got access to 3 of these really expensive courses. And I'm going to take all of my knowledge and all of the knowledge, like the good stuff from these courses. I'm going to take out the bad stuff, because a lot of these people ramble, and you really do not need 20, 30 hours of content to get your first private label product out. It's just, you don't need that. So I'm putting out a free course. I might also be partnering with somebody who's like really doing really, really well on Amazon to help put this together. And the whole goal is just to help answer your questions, because I get a lot of questions from you, and I literally cannot answer your guys' questions well or really in depth over Facebook Messenger. So that's why I'm putting this course out, okay? That, and I don't like people selling $1,000 courses. So there's 2 things. But if you guys want to get on the pre-release of this course, it's not coming out for like another month, but if you guys want to get notified when it actually does come out, I'll put a link to that page in the description. That'll be in the first or second thing. And I hope you guys have some content that you either want to see or don't want to see in this course. I'm sure you guys have taken these $1,000 courses, and I'd love your feedback on them. With that, you actually really get into private label because of how it's so passive, and I really love that.